my channel! Again, this is Mavi. And first and foremost, before we start this vlog, I would just like to thank you all guys for your overwhelming support. Alright, for as of today, today is March 21. I already have 101 subscribers. Yay! Alright, I really appreciate that, guys. All the comments, all the support, all the messages are, really, really much appreciated. So sana guys, mag-stay tuned lang kayo. So, because I'm planning to do more videos in the future. Alright, and sana samahan niyo pa ako to my journey or with my journey here at YouTube. And today is a very special day. And as you can see, alright, from the title, alright, this is gonna be a mukbang video. Alright, plus Q&A. And today I have a very special guest. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my bestie, Bernadette. Kasi 6 na taon na po kami hindi nagkikita.
Yeah, and thank you for guesting me here.
You're very much welcome. And today, so we're gonna do mukbang plus Q&A. So we asked our office mates to write some questions. Alright, that we'll be answering as we eat. So today pala, we're gonna be eating street foods from Talk to Bits. Yes, hindi po sponsored yung video natin. Alright, so meron po tayo. Ano yung mga nandun sa part mo?
Meron tayo dito mga hot dogs, calamares, and dynamite. Silent ending. Dynamite.
Diba parang tala nag-gulo? Tapos we also have tofu, fish balls, kwek, squid balls, veggie balls. Tapos we have melon rings from Kanto. Talagang nag-street food talaga kami today. And yung brownie na binigay by Mecca. Yes. So mag-start na tayo, bestie. So we also have rice.
Java rice.
Rice lang. So may rice kami today. So mag-start na tayo. And mag-start na rin tayo. So bubunod kami ng questions. Hindi po namin talaga binasa yung questions. FYI. Wala kaming idea kung ano mga. So, nasagutin namin dalawa, by the way. Alright, so nakabahan ako.
I feel nervous.
How are you feeling of Canada number 15?
I have nervous breakdown.
Ayan, so mag-start na tayo.
Hey, JD from Aljon Balagtas. So the question is, syempre nakita ko guy in what is your dream guy or girl? Syempre, ikaw na yung sagot sa tanong.
Kung bakit ka mahalaga. O, ikaw muna, pero ikaw yung nagbasa. By the way, hi Aljon. If you're watching this now, your birthday already had been. Birthday na po kasi later today, but since this will be uploaded Sunday, happy birthday. Also, best eating.
Wala akong dream girl, pero yung dream guy pa. Kasi yung mamahalin ako. Then, oo, mamahalin niya ako sa pagkatao ko at ano ako at meron ng kaimanan. Meron ba?
Parang din naman gano'n yung sinasabi yung sa akin. Ako din, parang gano'n din. Same, parang
walang kaya guys.
O, hindi katulad na sa kanya. Gusto ko hindi ako kayang mahalin. Gusto ko yung yung gano'n din. Yung regardless, yung tanggap yung past ko, yung present ko, yung magiging future ko. O, yung magiging baby ko, ano man yung magiging baby namin. Yun, basta tanggap ka, but in love best, parang regardless naman yan. Regardless of gender, regardless of hayop pa yung minamahal mo. But as long as mahal mo, ipagmalaki mo, ipaglaban mo.
At sabihin mo na agad-agad, huwag na papatumpik-tumpik pa. Diba katumpik ka? Candidate number 17.
Okay.
Ikaw naman.
Magbulot ng pop-top.
Sabi ko hindi ako kakain, pero
Ay, by the way, thank you so much, Liza. Si Liza po kasi gusto niya na maging vlogger, our dance cover sensation. Liza.
Phenomenal girl.
Yeah.
Makulat.
Oh, this is from Albert. Albert, well, first, we would just like to say that we're very, very proud of you, Albert. So, as for yourself, if someone done something against you to the point that she or he ruined your personality, will you turn him for revenge or will you turn to him for a revenge? Albert. So if meron daw gumawa ng masama sa akin to the point na ruruin niya na yung pagkatao ko, parang gaganti daw ba? For me, siguro as parang as first, parang ano ba tawag dito? Yung hindi, parang bilang tao, kapag na-hurt ka kasi, the first thing that comes into your mind is gumante. Right? Diba? Kasi yun talaga yun. So, ay gaganti ako dito. Pero this person is really bad to me. So, kailangan kong gumante or whatsoever. Pero for me, siguro gaganti ako in a way. But, kung sa tingin ko, hindi magiging worth it yung pagganti ko sa kanya, pagdadasal ko na lang siya. And that's the truth. How about you, Best?
Para sa akin, hindi naman siguro to the point na maruruin yung personality mo kasi nasa sa'yo pa rin yan kung ito let them ruin your personality. Pero, kung yun nga, kung saktan ka nga, depende kasi sa sakit ng level by level yan. Pero, sabi nga ni Mother Teresa, kahit anong gumawa nila, yes, according to Mother Teresa, best revenge is your kindness. Kung mahirap man, pero kailangan natin. And, bakit natin yung entertain ng mga negative people, di ba? Nga, nakakatanda lang yan, nakakarinig. Disregard natin sila. Okay. So yun, the best revenge is show them your kindness pa din.
Best revenge is your paper. Trabaho ka, work hard, parang matamatay you're good. And all people are loved. No, don't let nobody tell you otherwise. Oh.
Nobody, but
it's your turn.
Pero Albert,
oh, Albert. He recently came out saying this to us friends niya dito sa
This question is from Ate Joel. So, kung ikaw ay isang hayop na gumagapang, ano ka? Pwera, butiki, ahas, buwaya, chigan. O sana binigyan mo na lang kami ng choice example. Oo. Hindi yung ang daming ano. Pwera, butiki, ahas, buwaya, chigan, bulate, buod, tuko.
hayop daw.
Oo. Ibon ang mag-apa.
Oh, napilay daw. Yeah.
Siya pwede makalipan for a while. Kailangan niyang gumapa para mabuhay. Hindi porque hindi ka gumagapa, eh hindi mo na mararanasan ang gumapa. Kasi sa buhay na to, may ups and downs. So, minsan nakapag ka, katulad ng mga ibon. Pero pag nabalalo ka, sarap besties.
Sarap. Dahil naman,
Ikaw,
ako siguro crab, talangka. Talangka. Wala lang, gusto ko lang maging talangka.
kasi alam naman paside ka to.
Oo.
After ng family day.
Paside kang lang. Sa walking from side to side. Yun lang, wala akong maisip kasi Ate Jubel, sana binawasan mo pa yung mga choices namin para nakapabili kami ng masam.
Ano nung kutsara?
Ako naman. Thank you, Ate
Tanong mo, pero
Jubel.
nag-report ka.
So this is from Chris Antipala. Ay, pinagsama. Dalawa. Okay. Chris Antipala, this is for everyone who's going through something. So Chris Antipala says, what can you advise to the person, for a person to move on? To a person who wants to move on? For me, being in that situation before, feeling ko nothing we can advise, parang susundin mo talaga, or susundin talaga ng mga tao. It's just a matter of sino sa tingin mo yung kakampi sa'yo, yung magbibigay ng sympathy sa'yo. But what I can give to a person who wants to move on is to think that, you yourself, parang mas kailangan this time, maybe kaya kayo naghiwalay is because maybe you need time for yourself. Maybe this is time for self-love. So, if me and Bessie had been single, and no, wala po kaming relasyon. Wala po kaming relasyon. We've been single for years na, and we parang we talk about like self-love na saan kapag kung walang nagmamahal sa atin, or if nagpipil tayo sa mga love natin, mga nagiging love natin na nagpipil or hindi natutunan, parang ibigay mo na lang sa sarili mo. Go to a spa, treat yourself for a hair treatment, watch movies, go out with friends.
And family, my favorite family.
So, go bestie.
So, you don't wanna kung
Oo. O kung gusto mo, sagutin mo na yung kay Josh.
Sabi Josh na. So, what can you advise to a person who maraming tayong gustong ipag-move kung halimbawa, try to invest more sa love life. Ang ma-advise ko lang, kahit anong advice, pieces of advice ng mga friends mo, ikaw at ikaw pa rin at the end of the day ang makakatunod sa sarili mo. And kung sa love life ka naman, girl, ang gagawin mo lang is huwag kang matakot magmahal ulit, because loving is sacrificing, loving is taking risk, and loving is hurting yourself as well. Kasi kung hindi ka masasaktan, hindi ka magiging matibay, at kakilot ng pagmamahal ay ang masasaktan ka. At huwag mo isara yung pinto mo sa pagmamahal ulit. Keep on loving, okay? Praise the love.
Thank you, candidate number 12,422.
Thank you.
Maulo tayo mapatupit-tupit pa. Ano ang mas madami ang laman? Bag ni Dora o bulsa ni Doraemon? Mauna ka, Bessie.
Para sa akin yung bulsa ni Doraemon.
Bakit?
Silahan. Kasya doon, pati mga building.
Hindi ko nakita mo doon, may time machine. Ako din bulsa ni Doraemon. Tsaka yung bag ni Dora, ano lang yung laman? Minsan pinapakita niya yung mga, sa bagay, may yung palette ng star niya. Yung pakita tayo ng siya, sa may side mo, Bestie, yung ni Dora. Maglalagay ako dyan ng ni Dora.
Bukana.
O, yung star, merong may waterfalls doon. Pero syempre yung kay
ito rin mo,
may time
na.
machine.
Pwede kang pumunta sa Disneyland.
Kay Doraemon.
Sabi, kay Dora kung nanonood ka,
Tsaka
hindi
Doraemon.
ka pagod.
Nanonood kayo. Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to this channel. Your channel.
Go. Sisip ko na ako, guys.
Sino pa?
Ano yung tanong niya? Basahin mo muna yung tanong niya. Dapat mag-ilabas.
There are a lot of vloggers. Para sa akin ito now. What do you think is your edge to stand out? Transformer J.
Huh?
Transformer J. Hindi para sa akin yan. Sasagutin mo yan habang kumakain.
There are a lot of vloggers now. What do you think your edge is? Well, I think each and every one, each of every vloggers are
Direct love.
very stuff. Each and every vlogger has their own way. Depending on what you're looking for. Let's say, for example, I go to this genre, pero you're looking for music. This is Jericho. This is Jericho. Echo, this is you. I know. Echo. If you are looking for, say, for example, if you are really into music, wouldn't go to my channel because I wouldn't stand out. But, kasi sabi niya sa akin eh, what if daw, parang I change the mind of a person, ay try ko nga ito, parang gano'n. Parang what makes me different.
So, usually ba ano yung mga vlog mo in the near
future? Well, I will go, travel
ba?
So, kasi as I said in my first video, remember my first video, sabi ko doon, my life isn't really that interesting because I'm a normal person. Wala naman akong kayamanan. I'm not a millionaire.
Superhero.
I'm not a superhero. But what makes it interesting or what will make me vlog interesting is maybe how people can relate to me because I want to be transparent with my viewers first and foremost. Kasi kung nagpapaka ibang tao lang ako, I would have this setup like big and beautiful, mag-check in ako sa hotel, just film vlogs, diba? But no, I want you guys, to relate with me, alright? To relate on what I'm doing, or para alam niyo yun, regardless of what I do, parang, once in my life, I did that, I went on eating street foods, mga gano'n,
walang regardless.
I just want to be relatable. Siguro yun, I want to be relatable. And I'm like every other kid. It's just that my personality differs from others. So other than being transparent, it's my personality. I want to show everyone my personality. And you, Jericho, you know me personally, so you know what I'm saying. You guys know what I'm saying, and for my future viewers, you will know what I'm saying right now because I'll definitely show a lot more in my next vlog.
Show a lot more.
Expected. Yun, that's the tea.
Hindi ko masasagutan kasi hindi ako
pero in the film, okay. May 2 questions na naman tayo. Super kawa na ako. May kawa ako. Okay. So this is from Dexter. What can you say about same-sex marriage? You first.
For me, same-sex marriage, agree ako doon, as long as you love each other. Pero, as long as hindi nababago yung matrimonyo ng men and women, kasi yun yung talaga sa batas ng God, men and women lang talagang pwede. Pero, if you want, you can actually mag-live in kayo, pero hindi na kailangan ng papil-papil pa ang mag-church.
If gusto nila ng same-sex marriage, is because they want to have validity. They want to have it like it's written na you, me, together, ganun. But at the end of the day, that's true, but that's in papers. There is divorce, may annulment, diba? So parang, nakikita mo yung parang, yung marriage is still breakable, diba? Na, still, napuputol pa rin yun. Napuputol pa rin yung marriage kapag if it doesn't work together. So, para sa akin, I don't agree with same-sex marriage, but I agree with same-sex relationship. Kasi why not? Kasi if you really love someone regardless of the gender, at iba yung kanina, regardless of the gender, hindi naman age, kasi pag minor, hindi naman very tama yun. Regardless of age, color, sex, regardless of preferences, culture, o sa race, hindi doon nagkakatuloy. As long as you love each other, you fall for that person, masaya ka, that's what matters. Yun for me, nag-agree ako sa same-sex relationship, but not with same-sex marriage. And you don't need validation. As long as you love each other, that's all the validity you need. Is tanggap kayo ng mga tao nakapalibot. Actually, regardless, if hindi kayo tanggap ng mga tao nakapalibot sa inyo, as long as you love each other, you support each other, that's all that matters. And that's all the validity.
Hindi nyo kailangan ng DTI%.
Very good. Thank you, next. Ay, may dalawa yun.
4 din Ang hirap ng tanong ha, hindi na ako pumasok.
Okay. Ate Nelian, Ate Ann. Mami Ann.
So, yung tanong niya, I explain for them that first. So, yung pangalawang tanong is, do you see yourself working abroad? Kung may chance, why not? Pero sabi nga ng kapalit ko, si Meiji, na ay Meiji,
MG!
sabi nga na, kung pareho lang naman, or halos konti lang naman yung salary mo doon, salary mo dito, hindi mo na kailangan magpapahirap pa doon. At least malapit ka dito, safe ka dito, so you don't have to look for a lot. Okay?
Ako,
naman yan.
lagi kong sinasabi to sa mga TV sa mga kausap ko sa phone, sa mga customers ko bilang customer agent. Sa mga pusa, sa mga bicycle driver,
Kapit bayan namin sinasabi niyo.
11, you know, no, I don't see myself working abroad. Gusto ko dito, I'm family first. Kasi who's not? Sino bang hindi naman gusto dito sa family na? If it requires me to go abroad, kung talagang ganun ka siguro, sobrang katindi ng tangangailangan, then that's the time I will. But I can see na at this time, I am not closing my doors. I'm not closing my door. I'm not closing my door. As long as hindi pa naman siya ganun kakailangan. But if there's an opportunity and if it's good, then I'll grab it.
Kung sinusundo ka na ng loved one mo, why not?
Malay mo.
May sponsor siya.
American.
Kung umabot siya ng 1,000 subscribers at pinapunta siya ng States, why not? Diba? Dito na lang siya.
Punta kami ni Tanya sa Louisiana. Okay,
Ay, oo, baka siya lang niya kasi
question.
Punta tayo sa Louisiana.
By the way, hi.
Hi, Tanya. Happy Fiesta on Sunday.
Ay, sino nagtanong nito kanina? Ay, si Bimbi. Ang dami ng tanong ni Bimbi. Ate Bimbi, di ka na nga maganda na tanong.
Kaya ka nagkakasakit eh.
Ito yung tigyawat mo dito.
Get well soon.
Tigyawat, get well soon. Okay, so from Ate Bim, so what's wrong but sounds right? Tapos, what is the most important lesson you learned that you have? Lesson learned that you have? Hindi ka pa marunong gumawa ng sentence. What is the most lesson learned?
Ate Bimbi, anong Miss J pinanood mo dyan?
Bakit kaya pumasa sa training? Siguro ang ibig niya sabihin dito, what is the most important lesson that you've learned and how can you
drop it?